Hi, Year 6. Welcome back to another Monday check-in. You can see that we've got special guest here today. Debbie's here. So the whole team are reunited. So we're just going to tell you some of the things that we are looking forward to seeing from you this week, and just a little catch up. So I've sent your parents an email this morning saying with the White Rose maths resources for this week, which are all based on decimals, so multiplying and dividing decimals and converting them to fractions. So if you could have a go at those and then send them in to us via Shobi, that'd be great. And the BBC Bite-sized videos this week are also linked to decimals, so that all is the same. And I've also attached the first news, and that's all gone on to Shobi as well. And there's lots of really interesting topic lessons on Oak National Academy this week. You've got some stuff about World War II, particularly about the rise of anti-Semitism and the Holocaust, which you obviously know quite a lot about already, but that'll be good revision. And then there's a couple of science lessons as well about the human impact on plants and animals. So if you could check those out and send us your responses, that would be great. Shona?
Yes, I also just want to remind you that there's the Blue Planet 2 questions, and also lots of you have been sending back your science observation projects, and I just thought that it might be a little bit of a challenge, but in a good way. If you've recorded the temperature, for example, over a week or 2 weeks, you might want to plot it onto a line graph, or you might want to create kind of a bar chart about how many different animals you've seen. I just think a lot of the children in my class have definitely sent them back, and I just think they could take it a little bit further, make it a little bit mathematical.
Fantastic.
Oh, and talking of maths, I just had to fill Debbie in on some really awful news, Maple class, regards to Doodle Maths. Nicola, as maths lead, do you want to tell everyone the sad news?
The sad news is that Maple class is now bottom of the leaderboard, which means that every other class in the school, including reception, are all above you for the number of stars they've earned this week. In fact, Acacia class last week earned over 10,000 stars. And I think Maple class earned 900. So it would be good, Maple class, if you could work a little bit harder on your Doodle maths. Rowan class, we were 7th, so not great, but not bad. So yeah, keep it up. Keep doing more Doodle maths.
Exactly. And Debbie, you had a bit of a task for Year 6 to complete. Do you want to tell them about that?
I do. Year 6, I've been missing you all so much, and I can't wait to see you all again when we come back together. What I'd like you to do is write me a little paragraph on what you're most looking forward to about coming back to school, what you're most excited about. And I can't wait to read them.
Absolutely, yeah.
Nicola, what are you most looking forward to about going back to school?
I'm just looking forward to seeing everybody's faces and being able to say hello, even if it's just from a socially distant place, to be able to say hello to everybody and be in the same building as everyone and be back in our lovely school community. That's what I'm looking forward to the most. What about you, Shona?
Yeah, I think I'm the same. I'm just looking, obviously, we've had some communication with everyone online, but it'll be nice to see everyone in person, and find out what you've been doing. Debbie, you've been in school, but what are you looking forward to when everyone comes back?
I have been in school. I've been in school every week, and I'm just looking forward to seeing the Year 6 pupils. I can't wait to see them all.
Yeah.
Miss them.
Yeah, we'll get our team back together. That's what we want.
Yes.
Even if it's slightly different and we can't all be in the same place at once,
yep.
At least we will be in the same building, hopefully. Keep our fingers crossed.
We can wave.
Yeah, we can wave. Exactly. We can say hello from afar. Okay, so I think that's everything from us that we wanted Year 6 to do this week. There's just one other thing, actually, I've just remembered. If you haven't already sent a picture in for the mouse who got caught in the storm, please do send that in to us. We've had some really, really lovely pictures. At the moment, I think Year 3 and 4 are definitely winning on the amount of art they've done based on it. So Year 6, we can do this. Let's do a little bit more work. But yeah, I'd love to see some more of them because they're really great. But yeah, I think that is everything. So we'll say goodbye and stay safe, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.